Good pronunciation is about three main things: your sounds, the stresses in your words and your sentences, and your linking, how you connect the words. And my next few videos are all going to be about how you link your sounds. To speak fluently, your words need to flow, so they need to be connected. If your words are not connected, then you will sound strange. It may be easy for people to understand you, but you will not be speaking in a natural way. So you need to connect your sounds. So make sure you're following me, or you'll miss them. If you want to speak fluently, you need to connect your words. So here's a good tip for connecting those words. If the last sound of this word is the same as the first sound of this word, you only pronounce that sound once. For example, autumn morning. Look at this beautiful autumn morning. It's not autumn morning, but it's connected. Autumn morning. You might say, I spent £10. I spent £10, so I need some money. Some money. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. I want to go. I want to go. I spent 9 nights. 9 nights. So if you have the last sound of this word is the same sound as the beginning of this one, you only pronounce it once. Give it a try and follow me. Why not? There'll be more. Here's another linking tip so you can link your words when you speak, so you sound more fluent by constantly speaking and sounding more like a native speaker with no gaps in your words. If this word ends with a consonant sound and this word begins with a vowel sound, we pronounce that sound here. We pronounce that here. So not stop it, but stop it. Stop it. Stop it! Like that. Like that. Here are some examples you can try. Try it yourself. So we could say fresh orange. Fresh orange. Not fresh orange. Fresh orange. Not a bag of crisps. A bag of crisps. But a bag of crisps. A bag of crisps. An old umbrella. An old umbrella. A big apple. A big apple. Try it. Try it and you will sound amazing. Sound amazing. You will sound amazing. You see what I did there? I linked the thing. Yeah. Okay. Follow for more. Linking. This is an important part of your pronunciation because it's how one word connects to the next word when you're speaking. Now, if this word ends in an O or an oo sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound, we connect them by inserting a w sound. This is because your lips are going o or oo, o and oo, so you follow through with that into the next word. You already do this with words like going and doing. So going and doing, we have this w in the middle and we use the same idea to connect lots of other words. For example, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Who is? Who is? You are. Who is? You are. Just do it. Just do it. I have a blue umbrella. I have a blue umbrella. Now, lots of words end in this oo sound, even though the spelling at first may not look that way. Here are some examples. Get ready to pause it. Here are some examples. So those words finish with a oo or an o sound. So that if the next word begins with a vowel sound, I want to think again about how we connect our words so we can speak fluently. Can you say these two words together? It's a bit weird and difficult. We'll come to that at the end. So if this word finishes with an A, E or I sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound, we insert a y to connect those words. For example, We don't say grey eyes, but grey eyes. Grey eyes. Not my arm, but my arm. My arm. Not he is, but he is. He is. Here's some examples. You can pause it and practice. Now, so how do we say this? Well, there's three possibilities. You can say it with a space. 3 evenings. 3 evenings, which doesn't sound natural. You can say it all together. 3 evenings. 3 evenings. 3 evenings, which is weird. Or we can say 3 evenings. 3 evenings. When you do that, the y separates the word for the listener, and for you, the speaker, it connects them. Try it. Have a practice. See it, say it, sorted. Vowel to vowel linking. If a word finishes with an or an r sound, and the next word begins with a vowel sound, we link those words with a r. For example, instead of car insurance, car insurance, car insurance. Not far away, but far away, far away. Here are some examples you can practice with. Pause it. So we can have more connected speech. So we can say, America annoys me for a reason. You hear those little r in there? Try it. Try it. America annoys me for a reason. America annoys me for a reason. Practice it. Try it. Link your words and you will sound more fluent. Like, follow, share, blah, 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 blah. If you want to practice your linking, this is a classic exercise in pronunciation practice, and it's unimaginatively called 10 apples. So it's about linking between the two words. So we start with this nap. You need to say nap when you say 1 apple. 1 apple. And then we go to 2 apples. 2 apples. 2 apples. 3 apples. 3 apples. 3 apples. And then 4 apples. 4 apples. 5 apples. 5 apples. And then 6 apples. 6 apples. 6 apples. 7 apples. 7 apples. 7 apples. 8 apples. 8 apples. 9 apples. And 10 apples. So you can try that. Try it with me. 1 apple. 2 apples. 3 apples. 4 apples. 5 apples. 6 apples. 7 apples. 9 apples. I missed 8. 8 apples. 9 apples. 10 apples. I can't count properly, but I can help you pronounce your English. Good luck.